All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. It's time to be discussing Vchain once again, daily analysis. You guys can see Vchain has been absolutely killing it right now. We're sitting at 2.3 cents right now for Vchain, up 7.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 5.4% in Bitcoin comparative. Excitement is definitely there right now. You guys can see Vchain has been continuing to increase with the entire market momentum. With the market cap reaching close to $1.7 billion mark and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 61.1 million. So that has increased as well compared to our previous update. What we're seeing happening right now, as of recording this update, BTC is retesting once again the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, and that is huge news, guys, because in the next few hours there could be a chance that we could be setting once again a new yearly high for Bitcoin, which of course is going to help the entire market push up. In USD comparative, I think we might start to see a little bit of lag in altcoins and Bitcoin comparative, but I am thinking that we're going to see this continuation for altcoins to increase with the price of Bitcoin. But if you guys are not, really looking into Vchain, you guys can see just 2 days back, this massive announcement came out, and that's Vchain just secured a groundbreaking US patent for transaction processing on blockchain. Approved on October 24th, 2023, this patent is set to revolutionize blockchain efficiency with a new transaction processing method. So, Vchain has been making massive strides during the bear market. A lot of people have been sleeping on this project. I know this is not a secret at this point. If you guys really educate yourself and really see what Vchain really is doing, it has a working product. We see coins left and right in the cryptocurrency market that don't even have a utility. Sure, they have a promise, might have utility, but majority of these projects don't even have a working product. But Vchain has had a working product for quite some time, has some massive companies with the likes of Walmart, China, H&M, the list goes on and on, that are actually using the Vchain Thor blockchain. And a lot of people still don't understand the overall magnitude of this. But of course, the Vchain community that has been accumulating throughout the bear market are the ones that know how huge this really is. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Vchain and what is yet to come. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at the dominance, guys. Dominance is once again picking up. And this is what I've discussed with you guys in the previous update, that the Bitcoin dominance is about to start increasing if Bitcoin starts to move back towards the upside. And this right here is going to obviously make altcoins lag in Bitcoin comparative. Let me tell you what Bitcoin comparative is. You guys can see there's two different things, when you're looking at the charts. You can see USD, and there you could see also in Bitcoins, in Satoshis, so in sats. And you can see it's up 5.4%. So when Bitcoin dominance tends to increase, we do tend to see this number go down. And I think that could start happening as we do see Bitcoin pushing more towards the upside. If it does not get rejected around here, and if this day comes to an end for us closing in this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, guys, I think this is going to be a huge thing leading into this upcoming weekend ahead of us. So as far as Vchain is concerned, it's going up with the momentum. More and more people, of course, are starting to realize that, coins are starting to pop off one by one. And of course, Vchain was one of the hot coins of last cycle. A lot of people tend to forget that, but Vchain was one of the hot coins of last cycle, meaning a lot of attention was on Vchain. And a lot of people are saying that this time around it's going to be different. in terms of that, that type of hype factor not come in my opinion. I think the other way, I think Vchain will shock a lot of people because of what they have developed compared to its previous all-time high. What the team was doing here compared to where it's at now, there's a huge difference, a magnitude of difference. Vchain has made its massive strides within their project. The marketing last bull cycle, if you guys watch my videos around this range, every single time there was one thing I always emphasized and criticized, which was that Vchain marketing is not at the level it should be, and at the end of the day, hype factor plays a huge role. But since then, I'm not sure if people in their marketing team have seen my videos or whatever the case may be, but the marketing has taken a huge step towards the upside, and that can benefit them massively. And of course, Coinbase listing, that just changes the game. As we do see more inflow of retail money coming into the space, fiat gateways are where the most inflow comes into crypto. And of course, Coinbase is the biggest, not biggest. Wow. Can you guys believe I said biggest? Wow. And Coinbase is the biggest fiat gateway when it comes to new money coming into the space. And what is the craziest thing to me is that it's currently ranked 15 on the rankings for the majority of the volume coming in, and that speaks a lot. Now you may be saying, what do you mean that speaks a lot? That shows us that right now we're not even seeing as much inflow coming from the retail, and this is what I continue emphasizing. What we're seeing right now is just the start. I think once you hear grandmas talking about Bitcoin, your uncle, your aunts, that's when people are coming in, and cashing out would not be a bad idea after all. So this is something that should be worthwhile noting. Once you see Coinbase picking up in the ranks, that's when that profit taking is not a bad idea, and make an exit strategy for yourself. But I still think that Vchain is going to be a huge shocker this bull cycle, especially when more and more people start educating themselves about it. And if you are not aware of this, Vchain already is in a lot of people's portfolios, because if you focused on the overall price performance of this asset, pretty much throughout the bear market, we never went below $1 billion. We might have went for a brief time, but throughout the bear market, it held above $1 billion. So that is a huge factor that we need to keep in mind as well. And if I'm showing you guys the daily time frame, you guys can see we still have resistance coming up in our way. And if we're able to clear this resistance at 2.7 cents, as mentioned earlier in my update yesterday, that would be that next target that we could be reaching for Vchain in the upcoming days ahead of us. So let me know down below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? And of course, if you guys want to see more Vchain updates on a daily basis, let me know that as well, and I will bring you guys that. Love each and every one of you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.